Today we are going to learn how to launch a EC2 instance and how we can host a static website on that VM. Right. For that we are going to launch a virtual machine on Azure portal. So first log into your Azure portal, go to your virtual machine section, start trying to create a resource group. So here I am giving my resource group name web hosting RJ. Right. Click on OK. After giving you have to put the virtual machine name here. You can give any name should be like it should be a useful meaningful name, right? And set the default option for that because this VM is going for the testing purpose, so we are not going to choosing any other option for that. And here we are going to use the SSH, right? Last video we have which I have recorded, that is for how we can generate the password and we can access the VM, but here we are using the SSH. Once it is done, choose your SSD hard disk, right? It is because this is VM for the demo purpose, so keep in mind, right? After that, go for the default all options, right? And once you will see, just click on the review and create. Wait for some minutes, it will going to verify your all the settings which you have chosen. Once it's done, it will give you the green signal, yeah, validation passed, right? And just click on create. Now we can see our VM is ready for the testing purpose, right? So just go to your VM, click on the go to your resource here. Okay, once you go to the resource window, now we are trying to access this VM which we have created. So for that, what you have to go, you have to install git bash or the git. I think SSH should be there in your machine, right? I am using the git bash, so I'm going to use this the git bash here. For that, what is the command to access your VM, right? For that, ssh-i and the public PAM key name and your username along with your public IP address. So I have downloaded that file in a CD downloads folder, right? So here I'm trying to find it out. So don't worry about this command. This is a simple command. I'm trying to figure it out where it is the downloaded key here. So I'm going to download section here and you can see web server.key.pam.file is the file name. So for that, I'm going to clear this screen. SSH -I input your web server PAM key here, and now go to your portal and you can see there, just click on the connect and you can click on the SSH one native one, and here you can find your username along with your public IP. Just copy here and paste on that console. They will ask for the authorization. Yes, write it here. Yes, yes, right? Now wait for some seconds. It will be, yeah, now here it is. It is connected to the Azure public VM. Now what is the next step for that? Now we are going to install the Apache in this VM, right? And we will put our some code which I have already written, right? So for that you have to first install the Apache. So for that, do the sudo. It will be going to root mode for you. And now, right? So for that, this command cat etc os-release, this is going to give you the version, because a Linux command is differ from version to version, right? Sometimes people are using yum, right? Some people are using opt to install the packages here. So that's why I have checked here. So for that, opt install Apache 2, Apache, right? -2, and it will be going to start. And once one more thing, I did not updated this VM, right? So I think we have to give this command opt update first. After that, we are going to install this one. So here I'm putting the opt update, right? Oh, sorry, it's opt update, and just wait for some. Okay, it's going to install the required package and the new package here. It's updating. Yeah, it's almost done here. So yeah, okay. So yeah, it's reading the dependency now. We are good. Now we are going to install this Apache, right? So now you can see here it is going to install. It's almost done here. Okay, so wait for some seconds, right? It is going to install. Progress is 95%. Okay, 98%. And I think we are done. Yeah, here you can see We are done here, right? To check the status of this service, command is systemctl status and Apache-2, right? Apache. Now you can see status is active, means we are good to go here from here, right? Once the Apache is installed here, right? Now we are going to here to add the code, means so that we can see this website. This is the web service. Now we are going to add our code in there, uh, code section here, right? So for that, what is that? I have already created some codes for you, right? This is public address. If you are going to see here, just click on the enter and you can figure it out, because it should be giving a default one, but I did not set any firewall rule here. So access this one if you're going to launch any website, and if you want to access from the publicly, you have to allow it here, right? Means port 80 should be allowed here. So I'm creating this inbound security rule here. This is the way. But I will create a different means a deep video for that, how you are going to create the network security and all. For here, I have just created one rule, right? Once the rule is active, now after that, what we are going to do here, I have already done it, right? So the once you install the Apache, right, the base directory where your code will be exist is the var www.html folder. Inside there is index.html file. So I have already, means I have deleted here, right? Why I have deleted? I want to just put my one code, because previously index.html is the default page. Here this is just a simple page, right? I've just taken, I have already copied from here and copy paste, and once just paste it, and because the colon wq for saving this file, right? Once it is saved, just restart your service, systemctl restart Apache-2, enter. Now, all right, and you can even see the status here. Okay, this is running or not. Click on that. Yeah, it's running now, right? After that, what you have to do, you have to just use your public IP address here, pick the public IP address and go to your browser and just trying to access it. Yeah, here it is. Now we are able to see our website. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's just a custom page which I have created here.